knowledge about the cosmos and connecting with the gods, powers of the cosmos, like Paramashiva. Knowledge, introduction about Paramashiva, and the methodology, systems to connect with Paramashiva, or Parandama, or Parabrahma, or Paramashakti, your Ishta Devata, your chosen ideal. It can be Parandama, Vishnu, Parabrahma, or Paramashiva, or Paramashakti. Knowledge, science of connecting with gods and goddesses, cosmic powers, cosmic energies, is Kriya Pada. This Kriya Pada is the most powerful, beautiful ingredient of Hinduism, which is unique to Hinduism, to manifest what you want, whether health, wealth, anything you want in this world or the higher worlds, vertical time zones, you can manifest it through the Kriya Pada, which is a science. I want all of you to know, in Hinduism there is nothing called faith, belief. It's a simple science. You cognize the higher reality which exists. Shraddha Vivecha. Shraddha is not faith or belief. Shraddha means discovering the higher dimensions of the universe, higher truths of the universe, higher powerful cognitions of the universe. And manifesting those powerful cognitions as powerful life and lifestyle. So, in Hinduism, miracles are not miracles, science. It's a cosmic science. Kriya Pada is the next most beautiful and important pillar of Hinduism. Unique to Hinduism. I want all the living and practicing Hindus to wake up to the Kriya Pada. If you have not woken up to the Kriya Pada, you are missing something big. You are missing out on something great. Understand, Kriya Pada is the real grand cosmic party going on. Don't miss the cosmic party. Kriya Pada is the cosmic party happening in the universe. Somebody missing Kriya Pada, the ritual component of Hinduism, the ritual dimension of Hinduism is missing on the grand party going on. Just like now, Thanksgiving weekend, everywhere the Thanksgiving party is going on, family get together, Thanksgiving celebrations. Kriya Pada is that real Thanksgiving celebration, Thanksgiving party with the cosmic family. Krishna says in Gita, only when you give back to the devatas, gods, goddesses who gave you everything, you are living a real life. Otherwise, it is stealing. It is equivalent to stealing. Giving back to the gods and goddesses, cosmic powers, and building relationship with them. Living with the cosmic beings of the higher dimensions, the vertical dimensions, is Kriya Pada of Hinduism. That's a second major dimension of Hinduism, pillar of Hinduism. Whether you do a simple Ganesh Puja or Atmalinga Puja or Atmartha Salagrama Puja or Sri Chakra Puja, any small ritual you do, the time you take the items you use may be small, but ritual itself is not small. Kriya Pada is the cosmic thanksgiving, cosmic celebration, cosmic get together, cosmic partying going on. Don't miss Kriya Pada.